Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C73 and let me share with you how to try to free up the space without the need to remove the apps. So first of all, we will try to fix the apps, try to free up the storage for specific apps. Let's enter the settings first of all, and then we have to scroll down to find the apps. Then let's tap on App Management, and here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. So all we have to do is to actually go through all of them. To be honest, I highly recommend that. Go through all of them, tap on the specific app and go to storage usage. And as you can see here, we've got this section with cache. So just tap on Clear Cache, and as you can see, your device will immediately remove it. I do not recommend to tap on Clear Data unless you want to remove the whole data for this app. So it's up to you, but just focus on the cache. And as I said, I highly recommend to go through all of those apps. The second thing is to check the downloads, because let's be honest, usually we download a lot of stuff and then forget about it. So for example, some kind of documents, some kind of photos or videos or whatever. So let's check the downloads folder, and obviously it depends on you which manager you prefer to use. So for example, this provided by Google or this one which is pre-installed, up to you. Just tap on the file manager and find the downloads. I do not have any kind of downloads here, but as you can see, it is divided into different categories, so you can go through them, check what kind of data is still necessary and which one can be removed, and then simply remove it, get rid of it, because it really occupies a lot of space. Another thing to optimize our device and to enhance our cleaning is to use Phone Manager. This option, this app is pre-installed on this device, so you can simply tap on it and find it in your list. And then not only tap on Optimize, but I highly recommend to tap on Cleanup Storage. And as you can see here, we've got a deep cleanup where your device will show you what kind of data you can remove without a loss, actually, because let's enter the photos. We can go to Photos, okay, allow all, and basically your device will show you for example, the screenshots which are not really that important, etc. The same with videos, so you will be able to just enter specific sections and to remove the data. You can also tap on Clean and your device will do it for you. You do not have to do a lot of things. Deep cleanup, of course, you have to perform it manually, but a regular cleanup, no worries, it will just do it for you. And another thing which I recommend is to actually consider moving the photos or videos to another place, like for example Google Photos, OneDrive or something like that. Simply back them up and remove them from the phone's internal storage so you can free some space. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.